Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your host, Golden Zulu. So we have another interesting application of simple interest, where the question reads to say, Anita has 23,000. She invested some amount in scheme A at a simple interest of 20% and the remaining amount in scheme B at 10%. If Anita got the same amount from both of the schemes at the end of 1 year, calculate how much in kwacha Anita invested in scheme B. We know to say the principal is an amount one is given either to invest or borrow, but in this case we will refer to the principal to be the amount that Anita will spend on a certain investment. So we know to say if Anita spends this on scheme A, meaning what will remain when we remove the amount that was invested in scheme A, we will remain with the amount that will be invested in scheme what? B. So we will name this as our P2. So you know to say simple interest is given by principal times rate times time. Remember they said they got the same amount, so which means they were equal to principal times rate times time, where the principal for the first amount was P1 and the rate that was given is 20%. Changing it to a decimal gives you 0.2 and the time was 1 year. The principal is P2, where the rate is 0.1 and the time is 1 year. Then you know from here to say P2 is the same as 23,000 minus P1. So 0.2 P1 gives you, where remember P2 we said is the same as 23,000 minus P1. Then we multiply this with 0.1. Where from here we can now distribute the 0.1 with this. So we know to say 0.2 P1 is equal to, where you know to say 0.1 times 23,000 gives you 2,300. This times that one gives you 0.1 P1. Then from here you can group the like terms, where you have 0.2 P1 plus 0.1 P1 giving you 2,300. Then you know to say here when you add, you will have 0.3 P1 is equal to 2,300. Then from here you just divide both sides by 0.3, where P1 is equal to, you know to say 2,300 divided by 0.3 gives you 7,666.67. So this was the amount that was invested in scheme A, but we are interested in the amount that was invested in scheme B. So we'll say 23,000 minus 7,666.67, where you know to say when you subtract 23,000 minus 7,666.767, you will get 15,333.33. So this is the amount that was invested in scheme B. Thank you. Your host, Golden Zulu.